I am inside this legendary kitchen of Vinayak Mailari. Oh, wow. Ah, oh, oh. Woo-hoo. Chinnamma chilkamma ra 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 ra. Chinnamma chilkamma ra 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 ra. Nazirabad main road. That is where you get the Mailari dosa.
Vinayaka Mailari.
Ah, Vinayaka Mailari. You corrected Kripalanna also.
Oh.
You told Vinayaka Mailari. I remember. Mailari, Vinayak Mailari. Hey, hey, Mailari nahi, Vinayak Mailari. Mailari nahi, Vinayaka Mailari.
Vinayaka Mailari.
Ah, always. Today we are taking you to the original Vinayaka Mailari Hotel in Mysore. Hello friends, good morning. Yesterday night was Dussehra and today we are at the original Mailari, Vinayak Mailari restaurant to have the butter dosas. One of India's most legendary dosa places is the original Vinayaka Mailari Hotel. A favorite of all food connoisseurs, Vinayaka Mailari Hotel is a timeless treasure and an immersion into the culinary culture of Mysore. Awarded as Asia's best dosas, we went into the kitchen of the Vinayaka Mailari Hotel to experience the magic unfolding in front of our eyes. So let's go! Friends, let's go inside and see the magic happening. Amma, namaskara. Namaskara, Amma. Happy Dussehra, Amma. Ah. Oh, look here. Wow, the aroma is been filled in the room. Oh, dosa. True dosa lovers would agree with me that watching the delicious dosas being prepared live on the hot griddle is one of the most satisfying and pleasurable sight. However, at the Vinayaka Mailari Hotel, it goes up a notch. This is now one of my favorite things to do is to see the dosas being cooked on hot towers. As I stand here, my attention is drawn to the mesmerizing wood fire cooking. The dosas sizzle and transform as the wood fire imparts a distinct smoky flavor. Skillful hands flip them with precision, ensuring they cook to perfection. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. It's a true sensory delight witnessing the dosas come alive on the wood fire. This traditional method elevates the taste and adds a touch of magic to every bite. Sagu.
Ah, sir, sagu.
Sagu. And here the server, he goes. Friends, in this, the idlis are cooked. Nice. Idli also same, huh? Wood. Focus mein. Oh, again wood. See friends, this is again wood. Nice. Oh, wow. So nice. Superb. This is the chutney. And this is the, again, coconut. And look at this stock of wood. No gas, just wood. At Vinayaka Mailari Hotel, you will get to enjoy the softest idlis along with chutney and sagu and the delicious wood-fired bene dosas to drool over. The home-churned white butter makes the crisp dosa soften up and gives it a unique taste and flavor. How lucky I am inside this legendary kitchen of Vinayak Mailari. It's a dosa place and unlike any dosa place I have ever seen in my life, because this is the first time I am seeing dose being cooked on wood fire. Wow. Anna, let's try India. So first time I am seeing dosa being cooked on the wood fire, and I am also lucky that I am inside the kitchen. I am having the coffee with the staff. As you know, I am also a chef. I have also worked in hotels and I have also run kitchens. So I always gel well with the staff. They are my clan people. I love them. And lovely coffee. हाँ सुपर यो आप बनाए कॉफी स्मार्टी बॉय పేరు నేమ్ బసప్ప brother of Madappa made Mysore Pak you made dosa అన్నా నీ పేరు బాబు బాగుంది వెరీ గుడ్
Thank you, sir.
సూపర్ and thank you for the coffee.
Thank you, sir.
Super. I love green color. My favorite color green. Unicorn green, gold green, and the chutney green, sagu green. Lovely. Ah, you see, idli, beautiful idli. Oh, super. Oh, ma. So nice. As soft as a flower, idlis at the Vinayaka Mailari Hotel are loved by one and all. One after another, trays of these fluffy idlis are dispensed out by the smiling lady Chinnamma.
Paratha, sir.
Delhi paratha, chola bhatura. No idli, no good. Mysore idli. Mysore dosa. Mailari, Vinayak Mailari. Hey, Mailari नहीं, विनायक Mailari. ऐसा नहीं, दीदी डांट लगाता आपको. दीदी है ना, Mailari नहीं, विनायक का Mailari. Sorry. Remember friend, not Mailari, विनायक का Mailari. Super. Didi, ni peru name Chinnamma. You know, मेरा college, I learned cooking. College में cooking. There Chinnamma, one Chinnamma in college, cooking college. Chinnamma, Chinnamma and Mariamma. Mariamma. Chinnamma chilkamma ra 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 ra. Chinnamma chilkamma ra 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 ra. Chinnamma chilkamma Chinnamma re. Friends, so this is wonderful kitchen team, service team of Vinayaka Mailari restaurant at Nazarbad Road. Nazarbad Road, Mysore. Super. Chinnappa. Basappa. Brother of Badappa. Santosh Anna Babu Anna Chinnamma Amma Any peru Mahesha Vishnu Brahma Mahesha. Sorry. Okay guys, see you. Remember to come to Vinayaka Mailari always and meet these guys. They are best people, okay? After experiencing authentic Mysore cooking at Vinayaka Mailari Hotel, it's time to indulge in the legendary flavors. Idlis with a dollop of butter, aromatic sagu, and irresistible coconut chutney await. And let's not forget the unmissable dosa that will leave you craving for more. Are you tempted? Let's feast at the Vinayaka Mailari Hotel, where every bite is a journey of taste and tradition. Let's start with the idli first. Really soft. Delicious. These dosas have cooked in butter. Put a nice bite of the masala and the butter. Really soft and beautiful. Now we understand that there are so many different styles of dosas. Yes, at certain places you get dosas very crispy, but over here the quality of the dosa is considered by how soft it is. So these ones are the soft dosas, nice and fluffy. This place has been running for many years. I can read from 1938. India was not even independent then. We were under the British rule, but the dosas were still ruling the hearts of people of Mysore. You can easily have 4-5 dosas, yeah. So These are the dosas which are called as the benne dosas. The benne in Kannada means butter. So dosas have a nice douse of butter. Yes, chutney. And chutneys are so delicious. Those dosa is called, a masala dosa. But you would think masala means aloo, right? Well, palya, right? In Kannada they call it palya. However, over here you get an onion curry of sorts, and they call it sagu, right? So I've had the sagu dosas in Bangalore as well, at this place called, quite a few places actually, but Udupi Shri Krishna place, yeah, we had the sagu dosas, but this is totally different. This is just onion and cooked in a masala. So that's the masala dosa of the original Vinayak Mailari restaurant since 1938. Cheers. Akka dosa, okay. Extra butter. Having one more dosa. I have never done it in my life. We have two dosas. But this Mailari restaurant has made me to. In Delhi, no, we have this big dosas. You cannot finish one.
Those are crispy ones.
Crispy ones, but by the time you finish half, the other half gets soggy. I don't think so I can go back and have those again. Small dosas are so good. The concept of small dosa. Like roti. One by one you keep eating it like a hot. What do you call small in Kannada? Chikkadu dosas. Okay. Chikkadu benne dosa. What a meal. This is amazing meal. Chutney is so good. Wow. Everything. Chutney, masala, dosa, the butter, the vibe of eating here. Superb. Imagine in any other city outside, when dosa is served without sambar, I mean, everywhere they take multiple servings of sambar, I'm seeing here, friends, that people are coming their own boxes to get the idlis packed for home. Superb. Brilliant food. I have cleaned my plate. Nazirabad main road. That is where you get the Mailari dosa.
Vinayaka Mailari.
Vinayaka Mailari. You corrected Kripalanna also. You told Vinayaka Mailari. I remember. Yeah. So Vinayaka Mailari is only at one place, right? Keep looking at it. Outside there is a green color board. That is where you have to come. Otherwise, I'll put the location in this video. Just follow it. Come here. Look at this Didi. This Didi will be here, right? She's smiling Didi, right? So she will be here. If she is not here, then just confirm if it is this place or not. Okay, guys. See you.
Original Mailari.
Mailari nahi, Vinayaka Mailari.
Vinayaka Mailari.
Always.
Vinayaka Mailari.
Vinayaka Mailari only. This is Didi. Didi, ni peru name? Usha Rani. You are Rani. You are queen of the place. Such a wonderful place. Lovely team. Very good team. Very good dose. Super dose. Very nice. See, this is the place, guys.
Facebook
Facebook also, but YouTube. Let's Trip India. Let's Trip India. Yes.
We are from Mysore. We are the Mysoreans. And we are so proud of Mysore.
Yes.
And this is the original Vinayaka Mailari.
Yes, correct. 10 out of 10.